Okay, now we go to the next section, which is drawing the triangles. Okay, so the example here is drawing a triangle with the sides given, meaning that side A, side B, and side C is given. So how do you want to draw the triangle? So okay, the first one, let's say the given length for this one for C is here. So first you draw the C lines first. And then in order to draw the A value, so you get the distance here by using the compass and put it on one section and struck an arc. Okay, so you'll get one arc. And then for the B, you get the distance from B and put it in the other end of the C and construct another arc, and you will get the intersection of the point here. Here, you just connect the line in between A, the one end, to the point intersection, and another point to this intersection. So you will get a triangle with the given dimensions of A, B, and C here. And now, if you're only given two sides, okay, let's say the given side is S and also another one is R. Okay, so how do you want to draw the lines? Draw the triangles. The first thing is draw the line S. Okay, from the center of that line, you draw a hemisphere. Okay, so once you get this one, get the value for R and put at one end of the S line and construct this arc that intersect the hemisphere. So then you'll get the point for you to connect the triangle. That's it. Now, how do you want to draw the equilateral triangle, meaning all sides of the triangle is the same? Okay, so if the AB is given, let's say 50, then what you have to do is draw the AB line first, and then by using the compass, put it at one end with the same distance, which is 50, okay, and construct the arc over here and put it here and construct another arc. Then you'll get the intersection of the point. Then you just combine A to C, C to B, and then you will get the equilateral triangle. Okay, then another way to construct the triangle is by using the 30-60 triangle. So what you have to do is just connect by using the triangle, you just extend the line like this one. Okay, and then you'll get the point, so you'll get the triangle. It's very easy. Now we go for drawing a square. There are three methods that you can use to draw the square. The first is diameter method, T-square method, and inscribed square circle method. Okay, so we go for the diameter method. At first, you will be given the A and B distance. So what you have to do is just draw the line AB. Then what you have to do, extend a little bit of the line here and use any dimension, and you can construct arc here with the same one, and then you just construct arc over here and put it compass here and arc another here. So then you will be able to draw the line that is going up here. Okay, this line, so that you can get 90-degree line over here. Okay, so now you already have two sides. Okay, so let's say you already let's say this one distance is already given. So what you have to do is just construct the line arc here by using the distance AB. Okay, so you will get the intersection of the point at this one, and you get the point C. And then by using the same distance here, you put the compass on B and construct the point at the arc here, and put on C and construct another arc, and you'll get the intersection at D. Then you have all the points. So what you have to do is just connect the point, and you will get the square. Another method which is easier is by using the T-square. So using the triangle, so by using the 45-degree triangle, so what you have to do is just extend the line to this one and extend another line on this one, and then you can just make the line going up by using the triangles and connect all the points. Then you will get the square. Another method to draw the square are by using the in-crab square, across corner and across flat. Okay, let me explain to you on what are the difference between across corner and across flat in-crab square. So what you have to do is, for this one, when the circle is given, and then you have to draw the square inside of the circle. So what you have to do is just divide this circle in the middle, then you will get the intersection of the point, and you connect it by using the triangle. Then you will get the across corner, meaning that the square is inside of the circle. Okay, across flat is when you have to draw the square outside of the circle. So what you have to do is just, again, you have to divide this one into 4, and then you will get the intersection. So what you have to do, use the triangle and connect it at the tangent of the circle. Then you'll find the connection here, and put it here and put it here, and another one. Then you'll get the square. Next is drawing a regular pentagon. How do you want to draw the regular pentagon? They have two methods, which is divider methods and geometric method. Okay, so for the divider methods, usually the circle is given and the distance here for the pentagon is given. So what you have to do is you draw the circle according to the distance given, according to the diameter given. Okay, so then by using the divider or compass, you just measure this one at your ruler, and you find any point on the circle and then construct the arc over here. Okay, or the point, you construct the point on the part. Then using the compass, again you put on the point 2 and construct the point on here, and then repeat the same thing until you get all of the point to draw the pentagon. Then after that, you just connect the point in between them. Now we go for the next method. Okay, so let's say you are given a circle and then you have to draw a pentagon on this circle, inside this circle. So what you have to do is, let's say you are given here a circle, you draw the circle and divide it into this part. Okay, so you will get point O for origin, and then point D. So then you bisect the O and D in the center here by using the bisection method. Then you'll get this point C in the middle. Okay, so you put the compass on C to A, then you will create another arc. Okay, create the arc over here. The radius is the distance from C to A. Okay, so you will construct this and you will get point E. Then from point E, you put the compass on A to E, and you will construct another arc that intersect the circle, which is point B. Okay, from here you can get the distance from A to B to get one side of the pentagon. So by using that distance, you can repeat the divider methods and you put it at B here, and you get point on each of the side. Then you just connect the part. Okay, so this geometric method usually is when you are given the circle only and the distance in between the pentagon is not given, then you have to use the geometric method. Okay, now we go for the hexagon. Hexagon is much easier compared to the pentagon. So what you have to do is, let's say you are given the circle, then you have to draw the hexagon. It's very easy. Why? Because the distance between the hexagon is the same as the diameter of the the radius of the circle. So let's say you are only given the radius for the circle. So what you have to do, using that radius, you draw the circle and then pick any point on this one, and using the divider method. So what you have to do, put any point on the circle and construct arc, and then repeat to the whole things until it finish, and then you just connect the point, okay, and then you will get the hexagon. Another method is by using the center line variation. So what you have to do is you draw the circle and you divide it in the middle. Okay, so now what you have to do is, by using this part as radius, the hemisphere of the circle as a radius, you put it here and you construct the arc, and then you put it here and you construct another arc. Okay, and then you will get the point, intersection of point over this circle. So this one you have to connect on this one only, then you'll get the hexagon. Okay, another method is by using the circle here that we cause like the same like the square previously, which is across corner and across flat. So what happened is, once you are given the circle, so what you have to do is just divide this part by using the triangle. Okay, so this one is supposed to be 30, this one also 30, 30 over here and 30 over here. Once you already construct this line, so what you have to do is just connect the intersection of each side. Okay, so for this one, across corner is only that this one is if you want to put the flat side on this on the ground. This one, the flat the point is on the ground. Okay, so the method will be the same, only that the angle will be a little bit different. This one is 60. The 30 degree angle is shifted to the other side. Okay, so this one across flat, if you are given the circle, then you divide it in the middle, and then you use the triangle to connect on the side, the tangent of the circle, then you will get the across flat. Okay, the same method also if you want to put the flat side on the ground. Next, we go to the octagon. Octagon have two methods. One is if you given the circle, then what you have to do is just draw the circle, and then you just draw the lines that touch each side of the circle like this, and then you connect the line and which is touch the circle again. Okay, so you will get the octagon side like this one. Another method is by using a square. If the square is given, okay, the distance is given. So what you have to do is draw the square first. You divide it in the middle, like cross over here, and then you use the radius to the center here and construct the arc on each of the point on the side. Okay, so you get this arc, beautiful arc. Okay, so what you have to do is connect the point in between the arc over here. Then you'll get the octagon. Very simple. Finally, we're going to draw the ellipse. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so how do you want to draw the ellipse? Okay, so what you have to do is usually the major and minor axis will be given. So what you have to do, you just draw the this major and minor axis, and then you construct the rectangular over here by using the distance of the axis. Next, what you have to do is you have to divide this part into equal spaces. Let's say this one, it divide into 5 equal spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you will get 4 points on this one. And over here also, if let's say you divide this part into 5 equal spaces, so over here also you have to divide it into 5 equal spaces. So meaning that you will get another 4 lines, okay, and 4 points. So what you have to do, once you already have the point, So you just construct the C line to this one, this part to the side. So you'll get 4 lines.